How to send spoiler text in Discord Mobile. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily make spoiler text on your Discord. So what that basically is, you can hide your text that you're trying to send. So let's see how you can send that. So if you want to send a spoiler text on your Discord, first of all open up your Discord, go to the chat that you want to share your code on, and I'm just going to go to my server and go to general chat. So what I'm going to do here is first type in a normal message, something like hi, and then as you can see everything is right now visible. But if you want to send a spoiler text, all you have to do is enter the symbol pipe symbol. You can find it on your keyboard, something like this, a straight line. You have to enter two straight lines and then two more. So what you can do is go in between these four straight lines and type in the text in between. So let's say if I just write subscribe in between these two texts, these two lines, I'm going to tap on send. And as you can see here, the subscribe is hidden and is like a spoiler word. So if I just tap on this, it will reveal the word. So if I go back, go to chat again, and it will again be hidden. So let me just go back to my general. As you can see, the text is hidden, but if I just tap on it, the text will be revealed. You can do this in between as well. So let's just type in like, and then let's hide share. So I'm going to type in share in between. And once you have typed it in between, I'm going to type in subscribe and send. As you can see, the word in between is hidden right now, so only if I just tap on it, it will be visible. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.